Hello everyone, welcome to Aeronauts. Today we'll see another apprenticeship vacancy for aeronautical peoples. So basically for aeronautical mostly there will be a lot of apprenticeship vacancy only and then the jobs. So this is another apprenticeship vacancy. So this is at Airport Authority. So for aeronautical graduate there are two vacancies and this is for 1 year. And for aeronautical diploma there are two vacancies again and that is also for 1 year. And for technical apprenticeship the salary is stipend is 12,000 and for the graduate apprenticeship the salary is 15,000. Let's go on to the educational qualification. Candidate should possess a full-time 4 years engineering degree in engineering and later on the last date of application is 31st October. So still there is lot of time. Please apply for this. And conditions are they should undergo apprenticeship training at the notified airports only. Those who have got the allocated airports, there will be no change in that. They should have go there and work there. And those who have completed their apprenticeship or terminated their apprenticeship in the midway are not eligible to apply for this. So next we will see the mode of selection. So mode of selection is based on the merit based in the qualifying examination, and final selection will be based on the interview and the verification certificates and medical fitness certificate given. And shortlisted candidates will be called for interview and document verification through the register media which will be given while applying. So the candidates will be posted in the northern region. So only Indian nationals are from the northern region are eligible. So no other region are eligible. They have said it, and you should have completed your graduation after 2019 or on 2019, and maximum age allowed is 26 years. So later on, now how to apply for this is this apply through the board's web portal. So in that you have to find Airport Authority of India establishment, and then you have to click apply on that, and later on it will the message will come as successfully applied for the training. And for this they should have registered themselves in the NATS portal, because NATS registration number they ask mostly for all the central government apprenticeship vacancies. They ask for NATS registration number. So please go yourself and register in the NATS portal. In this PDF how to register for the NATS is given. This PDF will be attached in the description box. Please open that and go through it. And no traveling allowances will be given, and these are the main things. And later on there is no application fee for that, and you have to apply it through the board's web portal. And these are the main things which are there in this Airport Authority of India vacancy, apprenticeship vacancy. And as I said, there is a procedure for enrollment in a NATS portal is given here. So you should have all these details before registration, and later on after you registered in this NATS web portal, you have to go into the board's web portal and you have to find the Airport Authority of in the establishment request. You have to find out Airport Authority of India. So in that there will be this notification which has which will show the vacancy of aeronautical, and this PDF this vacancy will be shown of northern region vacancies, and you have to click there and apply for it. And this is about Airport Authority of India apprenticeship vacancy. So please keep subscribe to this channel for more of the job updates related to aeronautical. Thank you.